Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 5008 SUV in the Allure specification. This is a 7-seater vehicle that features 18-inch alloy wheels. You get tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Inside the car, the interior is half leather. The touchscreen features 3D navigation as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. There's some nice safety features as well, including lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. But on top of this, you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine. It gives you 130 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 12,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.